Sierra Madre is one of the most famous mountain ranges here in the Philippines. But it's not just one of the famous ranges, it's really the longest, spanning over 540 kilometers or 340 miles, and it's located on the eastern portion of Luzon. Now, Sierra Madre is not just famous for being the longest, it's also famous for being a natural barrier for Luzon against typhoons. It had been mentioned many times in the news, always talking about it in relation to typhoons with the mountain range weakening them as they enter the country's vicinity. Now this is already crazy. The longest mountain range protecting us, that's unbelievably good. But that's not just what Sierra Madre is. It also contains the largest rocks of rainforest in the Philippines that are home to hundreds of species, some of which are endemic and others even endangered. So why am I talking about the Sierra Madre? Because despite being so important to us Filipinos, both as a buyer and the rainforest it contains, we still take it for granted. There has been news of illegal logging in the mountain range, but not just illegal logging, but also mining and quarrying. And all three activities have taken 90% of the rainforest, possibly killing many of these endangered species, and if not, making them making it harder for them to continue surviving. Now, these people committing these crimes, not all of them are doing it just to profit. Some just want to feed their families, which every one of us can relate. But it doesn't change the fact that Sierra Madre desperately needs protection. It's the mountain range that's helping us against typhoons, and also is the home of many species of both animals and plants that are endemic to it and some endangered. Yet this is how we repay it. That's not right. Even if you say that the Sierra Madre doesn't even do much against typhoons, it's still nature. It's beautiful. A great example of this beauty is during the COVID pandemic. Little people have been coming out, lessening the pollution in the area around it, and for the first time, people managed to see Sierra Madre in its full glory without the smoke, the gas blocking it. It's our environment. We need to learn to be responsible and protect it because it's not just a mountain range. It is also one that the indigenous people are reliant on. Some cultural traditions of the indigenous people can be carried out anymore because the medicinal plants that they use have stopped growing to the actions of humans. The farms also suffer due to floods, a consequence of the degradation of the Sierra Madre. An idea I suggest is for the government to campaign against illegal logging. They can do this by putting up warnings in their border of the Sierra Madre. As I don't know if it's okay to put them in the mountain range itself. They can also put up guards that will look for any suspicious activities in the mountain. Another idea is tree planting activity. It's a pretty simple one. People and advocates who want to help the Sierra Madre can do so by planting to replace the trees cut off by the by the by the people in the past. But even if plant so many saplings, it doesn't change the fact that it will take years for them to grow and be as strong and tall as their predecessors. So the third idea I had is to spread the word about the importance of the Sierra Madre. Like you see that one person there, hand him a leaflet about the mountain range, explaining his situation and how important it is to the country. In an ideal world, for every person who ignores the leaflet is one person who reads it and decides that they want to help the Sierra Madre. And of course, the easiest way to help, donating. Every idea I just suggested costs a lot of money, and even a little amount goes a long way. Now, if the audience accepts these ideas, how would it affect you? Quite frankly, not much. My ideas are pretty voluntary, with no forced participation. Maybe if you're an illegal logger, it will force you to stop in fear of the government. But if you're a normal person, then what you get is a choice. A choice of how to help protect the Sierra Madre.